Now let's see what is a map. Okay, so in this video we will see like how we work with maps. So basically map, this uses a lambda function to perform an action. Okay, and you can perform various action, and you can just write your own logic using lambda function. Okay, so to demonstrate a map, let me create a list first. Let's say temp list, and that is equal to, let's say, I'm just calling a list. Then let me create a range of, let's say, 5 elements. Okay, so now I have a list. Okay, now let me add one more code block here, and let me create my map. So there is a method called map, and which takes value like lambda. Okay, lambda, then let's say x is equal to, let me add uh, let me add like x is equal to x, or you can write anything. Let's say x equal x multiplication 2, and then the add your list here. So in my case, temp list. Okay, so let's print the type first. Okay, type of temp list, then type of my map, and let me print the map. Okay, so let's print my map. Okay, so it should show me a map. Now let's just execute this code here, and you will see that it printed, basically it printed this. So okay, let me write like this. Let me write like type, then my map. Let's see what it shows. Okay, here you go. It shows a type as map. Okay, and let me copy this as well, and let's say type this is equal to, it should be list. Okay, now let me just let me print the value of this. So let's say print, and then I'll say list. Print this in the form of list now, and temp my map. Okay, so it will print the values, and it will print like 0, 2, 4, something like this. Okay, so here you go. So you see, like, we printed map in the form of list here. Okay, you can perform other activity also, like let's say you want to just x, if you want to just calculate a square, so you can do that. Okay, so let me just try one more time. So let me just copy this, and let me add one more block, and let's change the logic here. So let's change it like this, and now print list, then my map. Okay, now it should calculate square of all the values. So you can see that 0, 1, 4, then 9, then 16. So I think we are good here. Thank you.